Welcome to your national weather update. Frost and fog across parts of the south. Further north, not so cold because we've got more cloud around here. In fact, there's a weather front pushing southwards during Monday evening, bringing a bit of rain across the Western Isles and then sinking across the Highlands through the early hours. Some of that rain may crop up on the north coast of Northern Ireland too. For England and Wales, dry and certainly in the south, clear and frosty, -2, -3. That's towns and cities, rural spots, maybe down to -5 or -6. Further north, temperatures holding up at +5 or +6. Now, as well as the frost in the south, some thick fog patches are likely over parts of the Midlands, South Wales and southern England. Dense fog for the morning commute. It may take much of the morning in a few places for that fog to clear, but then we should again see plenty of winter sunshine here. A bit more cloud across northern England, some breaks in that cloud to the east of the hills, and the far northwest will brighten up after a dull start. But for much of central, southern Scotland, Northern Ireland, quite a grey day. A little bit of light rain is possible, but most of the day should be dry. 8, 9, 10 Celsius here, a touch above average. Further south, 7 or 8 Celsius, so feeling pleasant in that sunshine after a frosty start. Pretty sharply, though, on Tuesday evening with clear skies, the blue returns, a frost forming once more, and the fog is likely to thicken up again during Tuesday night and into Wednesday morning. Further north, again more cloud, and the wind's starting to really pick up across northern Scotland on Wednesday, particularly through the afternoon in the far northwest. Gusts of 70, maybe 75 miles an hour, and a band of heavy rain swinging through here late in the day as well. So we do have a Met Office yellow warning in place for those gusty winds that could cause some travel disruption. It's getting windy for all of Northern Ireland and Scotland. The breeze picking up over northern England and North Wales. A bit more cloud here, but again, for most of England and Wales, Wednesday, hazy sunshine, a fine winter's day once that fog has cleared. And once the frost's melted, temperatures up to 6, 7, maybe 8 degrees Celsius, 8 or 9, maybe 10 further north. But there will be those winds here, so perhaps not feeling quite as mild on Wednesday. That line of heavy rain will swing across northern Scotland during Wednesday evening. It shouldn't last long, but it will push southwards. The tightly packed isobars suggesting very strong winds for a time. But as that weather front pushes southwards, bumping up against high pressure, it'll again fizzle out as it moves across England and Wales. And then another weather front, perhaps introducing some milder conditions as we head towards the end of the week and more particularly into the weekend. For a full week ahead forecast, check out our YouTube channels. If you're watching on YouTube, don't forget to hit subscribe. And of course, there's plenty more elsewhere across social media.